Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone, especially those at the other side of the world. There is no time and space between us. There is only this present moment. We are one. We are on diary entry number 899. I have desired death so much. I do not know whether I shall ever again in my life experience such great longing for God. There have been times when I fell into a swoon for Him. Oh, how ugly the earth when one knows heaven. I must do violence to myself in order to live. O will of God, you are my nourishment. Labis kong pinananabikan ang kamatayan. Hindi ko alam kung muli ko pang mararanasan ang ganoong pananabik sa Diyos. May mga oras na pakiramdam ko ay hihimatayin ako sa Kanya. O napakapangit ng lupa kung alam lang ng tao ang langit. Kinakailangan ko pang saktan ang sarili ko upang mabuhay. O kalooban ng Diyos, Ikaw ang aking kalusugan. When one has seen the other side, when one has reached heaven, whether through union with God in the normal way, which is often only experienced by a few, ang konti lang ang nakakaranas nun. And we know for a fact that Faustina was one of them. And some saints, no? Katulad ni Saint Therese. Yan, yung dalawang Teresa. And maybe also Mother Teresa. Mga saints. When people or souls, while still living on earth, has the opportunity to cross the veil, reach heaven, all of them have one story, and that is bliss, peaceful, blissful, extremely joyful, so that you would not want to go back. Hindi mo na nanaisin pang bumalik. Yun yung talagang totoong pakiramdam ng langit. Hindi na lang description, no? Katulad natin. We only know through the description of other people. So if you have watched a small tribute I gave to Dr. Jill Harillas Lardizabal. She's a good friend, a pediatrician, very young din nung tawagin pabalik sa kalangitan. But before she was called, she already experienced it while in the operating room. So it was actually her soul functioning at the time. The body was in the operating bed. Pero nakikita niya kung ano nagaganap. That's why when she woke up, she knew what her disease was. She knew the stage. It was cancer. The stage, I think stage 4, no? And then she felt like she was moving towards the light. Naranasan niya yun. And then she said, there's only love. tayo lang daw yung nag-iisip na the Lord will, the Lord will really yung temporal punishment, the Lord will be really taking account of our sins. Pero there's so much forgiveness there at the other side. So she experienced the mercy of God. Kaya I'm sure during her final moments, dahil alam na niya kung saan siya pupunta, pag alam mo na kasi kung saan ka pupunta, fear of death is almost zero. No? Although may mga ano pa rin siya, fear, kasi yung fear niya is about leaving her loved ones. Yun na yung kinatatakutan niya. Paano yung ganito, paano yung ganyan. No? So despite the years that she still was able to live, no? Kasi she experienced that ilang taon before she finally united with God, no? Maybe 3 or 4 years pa yata. I'm not really sure, but then maybe 2, no? But then, yun yung kwento niya. And for the rest of her life, kahit kanino, kinukwento niya yun. Sinasabi niya yun. She doesn't care whether the person would believe her or not. Basta sinasabi niya. And when we met for the first time, and then she told me all those things, I believed her. Without a doubt. Kasi ang dami ko nang nababasang ganon, dami ko nang alam, no? Tungkol doon. Pero syempre sa akin, kaalaman lang yun. No experience, no actual proof, wala. No, it's just that I believe, I trust in God, I have faith na pag time ko na ganun yung mangyayari. So it's really very important that we believe. Because when we believe, when we trust in the Lord, all our fears will be gone. Mawawala. Sabi nga ni Faustina Ho, how ugly the earth when one knows heaven. Kung alam lang daw natin ah, kung ano ang langit, walang-wala ang lupa. It's really a complete paradise. So sa lupa, maybe yung mga pleasures natin dito, wala yan. You will not miss the best food you eat here on earth. You will not miss the best clothes, the best comfort, the best hotel maybe that you have gone to, the best places you were able to visit. Wala daw yun. Maybe ganun, ano? Yung lahat ng naranasan natin sa lupa na sarap, the pleasures, no? All these are nothing compared to earth. That was how Faustina was describing it. That is why sabi niya, no? She longs, she desires to die. Gusto na niya mamatay. Ayaw na niya. No? It's not because that she was suffering. Pero syempre, isa yun. Who would like to live here on earth? Kung katulad din lang ng paghihirap ni Faustina ang mararanasan, hindi na, oy. Kumbaga, no? Hindi na, oy. Doon na ako sa langit. Kesa dito sa lupa punong-puno ng pasakit. And again, sabi nga ni Jill, when I asked her, did you choose or did you bargain? Sabi niya, that was a decision she had to do. Kasi sabi niya, kapag pipiliin niya yung mabuhay, bumalik sa lupa, ibig sabihin noon, may pain. And so kung gugustuhin mo yun, dapat handa ka rin sa pain. Otherwise, iwanan mo na. Bitawan mo na. But she chose to live, no? Mabuhay pa ng ilang panahon kasi gumaling naman siya. Actually, naging cancer-free na siya kaya lang umulit. So talagang yun yung kanyang destiny. Yung mamatay sa ganong cancer. But she was able to prepare, no? Napakaswerte. Kasi si Father Jofet naman, bigla din. It was a heart attack. No one was expecting. Although the soul knows the state of his physical body, but she did not tell anyone. He didn't tell anyone. Pero nalaman lang niya nung malapit na yan, not like others na medyo matagal-tagal pa. So it was also sudden for other people. And we do not know whether nakapag-prepare ba si Father. But maybe, kasi comatose naman na agad yan, hindi naman immediately died, no? So, yun na yung niya, preparation stage. Medyo mabilis, no? Maybe na-hospital pa siya ng I do not know, but hindi yan, pagkatapos ng atake yun, the soul still had yung period ba na ah, parang flashback, pabalikan lahat. Iisipin, kahit pari yan, Of course, aral sila. Aral. Kung anong gagawin, kung ano ang nandun sa kabila. Pero katulad lang natin din. Alam lang natin. But we do not know. Kumbaga, it is still the first time that the soul will be crossing the veil. First time, kahit alam na natin, Kasi hindi naman natin nararanasan or hindi natin naranasan. But still, iba rin yung may alam ka, no? Yung alam mo kung paano gawin. So, halimbawa, you are learning how to drive. Siyempre, sasabihin lang mo na, o ganito, ganyan, ganito. May sasabihin kung paano, coordination ng paa, ng kamay, ganyan. Pero pag hawak mo na yung manibela, nandun ka na sa sasakyan, iba yun. Yung alam mo, ilalapat mo ngayon sa practice. Hindi agad-agad. Yung alam mo, hindi agad-agad na translate into the actual skill. No? So, iba talaga. Kaya, kahit alam natin, ganun sa langit, pag nandun na tayo, syempre mangangapa pa rin tayo, oh Lord, saan ba ang daan? Nasaan ang liwanag? Na maybe ganun, Or bago tayo dumating doon, Lord, ito yung mga ko, nagawa ko, ano ba ang ano ba ang state of my soul? Kasi the Lord knows what is the state of our soul hanggang sa pinakamaliit. So very exact ang Diyos, hindi katulad natin, no? Hindi na, kahit sarili natin, hindi natin alam, hindi natin kilala. And so that's the other side. Yun na yun, no? And I'm very happy that all of you are able to learn through Saint Faustina. Kasi iba yung presentation ni Faustina kesa dun sa naririnig natin at nababasa. Parang it is really a lesson. No? Parang a how-to guide, no? Isang how-to guide about the process of that. Paano mangyayari. And so may we be able to appreciate all these things para pagdating natin doon. Uy, malapit na tayo, ha? Kasi umiidad na tayo. At hindi rin natin masasabi, ako matagal pa, sabi, pwede mong sabihin sa sarili mo. At we really do not know. Pero ang alam ko lang, malapit na tayo kasi syempre may edad na tayo. Ako, siguro 20 years, mahaba pa rin yun, no? And I would still be able to do a lot of things. malakas naman ang katawan ko, ganyan. Sasabi kong gano'n, no? But then, uh, we really do not know. Basta ang mahalaga, sabi nga sa Bagong Tipan, New Testament, sabi nga sa parable na kinuwento ni Jesus, hindi natin alam kung kailan darating ang magnanakaw. Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo kukunin. No? Pero malalaman natin yan pag malapit na. At least, pag malapit na, we know what to do. Hindi katulad ng iba, balot ng takot kapag dumating na sa yugto na yun. It is always our prayer to have a happy death.